Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we have a little traveling to do. We have Celebrate States. Yes, they got this to me quickly this month and we're going to find out what the December Celebrate States is. So I can't wait to see what this Celebrate States holds in store for us. Celebrate States is a monthly box. We travel state to state and we've gone to several in the last few months within the last year or two. So if you want to find out more about a state and or if you're thinking about traveling these fine United States, you may want to subscribe and you will get items that will be like some detailed guide information. You will get treats and taste of the local areas and in small towns and in the big cities as well. And you will learn maybe perhaps where you might want to go if there's something specific. And the other thing I like is I can't travel to all those places, unfortunately, but I get to have a little taste, a little sight of the areas, which I really love, and I think we're going to have fun going through this box. It is $45 a month. You can save 20% with the code MissJackie20. I will have all that down in the description that you will be able to look at. I will also mention that this can be good for school-age children if they are doing projects state by state, or from time to time they have certain states that they have to do a project on, and they could get first-hand information, products, and services from local businesses in that state. So let's pop in here and see where we're going. It's a California Christmas. We're going to California. Woot woot. And then we have a card in here. It says Vicky because I am Vicky and I'm Miss Jackie. That's my nickname. They have sent me a Christmas card. It says, Vicky, warm wishes for a bright and the best season. Thanks for all you do. And it's got Celebrate States. So I have been subscribed to them for way over a year now. I have really enjoyed this box. Dane is the owner, and of course there's several that are there, of course, putting this all together, making sure we have a nice box each month. And this month we're going to look at California. And we have a product card on top, and I will tell you we have a packed box, and we have a book this month on 11 unforgettable drives. And, we're going to take the wheel, we're going to take control, take the trip we've been dreaming about. And of course, California has the beaches, the mountains, the Sequoia National Park there with the sequoia trees, San Diego. It's going to tell us all about the different places. I've seen some of them. You got San Francisco to the north, Monterey, which I've been there too. I've been to all of these so far. Monterey is quite beautiful. I think it's more to the north side, and it can be quite chilly in the summer. I went there and it was in the 50s. It was cold. I had to buy me a jacket in the summer. I think it was in July. I mean, it was cold. So guys, let's find out what's in here. We've got us a product card, and it says a living Christmas tree seed grow kit. It's a balsam fir. So does that mean we have us a kit here? Let me see. Okay, here we go. Grow a Christmas tree. How about that? That is pretty cool. Let's see what it says. Born in America's national parks as a supplier of live redwoods with interpretive packaging, the Jonesteen Company has grown to serve a diverse array of clients, from individuals and small independent retailers to public realtors, films, and Fortune 500 companies of all kinds of tree projects, large and small. More than just a wholesale tree grower, Jonesteen is known for creatively packing his trees for a variety of markets and purposes, for teaching about trees and their many benefits to people and the planet, for supporting a perpetuity, the folks giving, selling, and growing in trees. In its founding, he committed to spread a message of respect for the environment and the love of trees, and we decided by teaching through this manifold of benefits that the trees being brought to our families and communities and our lives individually and collectively, and though there was more than 25 years ago, a better brightness for the future. This is the reason we work every day to make Jonesteens a tree company that cares for the planet and everyone that loves to be alive. And I think that's really cool. So I guess inside here I'm going to have a balsam fir, and I'm going to be able to possibly grow that maybe right here in my area. It says grow a living Christmas tree. So my grandkids will probably like that. We'll have to find a place to plant it. That sounds wonderful. Our next item is some fig preserves. That is right here. It's low sugar Jamology California Black Mission Fig Jam. And they've got it wrapped up real nice here, and I'm going to kind of undo it a little bit. This is out of San Francisco. Oh, the Jonestein Company was out of McKinleyville, California, by the way. Now, the fig preserves are Jamology San Francisco. They're Jamology out of San Francisco, California. It says, "Hi, I'm Coco, and I'm from Brittany, France. I grew up in a French countryside, and my grandmother taught me how to make jam. And when I was very young, it was a passion that has stayed with me all of my life. My first business was in Paris, and I sold it after a midlife crisis. I used to joke about it. I sold my company, my house, my ex-husband, although I did not get much for him. But I kept the dog and brought him to America. Then I set up a new company called Jamology, and I brought the art and the passion of the French jam to America." So that is what we have in here. She goes, "I hope you enjoy this wonderful jam," and I bet I will. She says, "Bon appetit." So that sounds very, very tasty. Now our next item is tea cookies and cocoa, and that is right here. And I think I've had these before, not out of this box, but I think I have bought these in stores. So this is tea cookies and cocoa. This is Too Good Gourmet is the name of the company, and it's out of San Lorenzo, California. And it says, "My mother and I had a dream of building a specialty food business to create something truly unique and special. After 20 years, this dream is still evolving with the benefit of wisdom and knowledge we have gained along the way. Every day, we are grateful for the support and enthusiasm you bring. I want to make sure you know how much we truly appreciate your business." So they've been in business for a little while. They're about 20 years. And like I said, I have picked up these cookies before, and I believe they're pretty good. My memory's correct. Our next item is reindeer grazing nuts. This is from Macy Jane's, and this is Chico, California. In Chico, California, well, we have us a reindeer. How appropriate. And it's roasted and salted pistachios. Ooh, I love pistachios. And they're fresh, it looks like. As far as they're still in the shell, you can tell. So Macy Jane's is a fully integrated company. We are proud Northern California farmers bringing our customers around the globe premium quality farm fresh nuts that we produce. We guarantee pure, natural, and no preservative, non-GMO, verified, kosher, certified organic products. It's a third-generation business, and the almond farmer's daughter, I guess they started off with almonds, she goes, "I've been roasting nuts in my family since the age of 17. Over 2 decades later, my family and I proudly carry on this small family farming tradition using bee-friendly and earth-friendly practices in our family-owned operated orchards." So they take lots of pride in that, which I'm thankful, because we do need to save the bees, and we need them. We need them to have our produce. So I can't wait to try these out. Salted and roasted. Let's give them a little try here. California has a lot to offer, doesn't it? They're just in little shells. They're very good. And I do love pistachios. Very, very tasty. Yum, yum. Very, very good. Love those. All right, we're off on a good start with that. Then we have some crispy orange slices, and that's right here. And this is Dardaman's California Crisp, Van Nuys, California. Crisping began around our kitchen table with the unmatched quality and flavor of California citrus readily available in our backyard. Founder Annie Babian and her father dehydrated their first batch of fruit at home, recreating their family as an American recipe and using oranges from the tree in their backyard. Once a year, Annie left law school to work full-time at the Dardamans, and since then has grown the brand into an international leader. California's seasonal market drives our trade. With this exception of Hawaiian pineapple, we personally select each batch of fresh fruit from local growers by maintaining the integrity of fresh fruit in its color, aroma, and flavor. Dardaman slices are as close to fresh fruit as possible without the use of any added sugars or preservatives. Enjoy a snack or complement dips, cheeses, salads, desserts, and beverages. Just like fresh fruit, slices made have imperfections such as discoloration, seeds, bitterness, and may slightly vary in sweetness. Several seasons of fine-tuning and barrels of fruit later, Dardeman's California has perfected the taste. It says a tasteful crunch, so I'm going to just taste one. I've never had one of these, so it sounds very interesting. And it's just like a dried orange. I mean, it's literally, you can see the rind. Look at that. And it is crispy. And it tastes just like an orange. Well, it is an orange. It's dry. That's amazing. Other than the burst of, juiciness when you have an orange, all the flavors there. That's amazing. I could see how you could drop these down into your drink too, like to flavor your water or your tea. Very good. Those are delicious. Now guys, I have one more item here that's not on my list. He says, we hope you love your Christmas California box. Please follow us at Instagram at Celebrate States 50 and on Facebook at Celebrate States Explorers. And I'm not sure what this is because there's nothing about this on the product card. So maybe they just sent us a little gift. Ooh. We got us a bottle of milk chocolate cocoa mix. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. It's from the Tea Good Gourmet. It says teas and cookies, so I missed this. So this went with the San Lorenzo, California company where the mother and her had dreamed about building a business. So that came with this. So I have some cocoa with my almond cookies. All right. I'm going to really enjoy that. And inside here, we have the little tea cookies. And while we're here, and while I've got the box open, I'm going to taste one for you guys and give it a little taste test. I knew they were going to taste good. And of course, it's got modified ingredients, and I just seen that, so I won't be finishing that cookie. Okay, guys. These are delicious cookies, but I can't eat them because they have a modified ingredient in them. Anyway, these will be great cookies. I'm sure my husband and or my family will enjoy these little tea cookies. I'm going to enjoy the pistachios, and this jam should be really tasty. So do you all have a favorite out of my California Christmas box? Okay, my favorite out of this box, we got a lot of goodies to eat. But I'll have to say this is quite unique, getting the Christmas tree. And it's a living Christmas tree, so I'm really interested in getting that planted and growing. My next favorite item is going to be this pistachios. And I really like these orange slices. But I'm going to say the pistachio, and I love this. This is going to make a great little gift. I know someone who will love this, and it's so unique. I can't wait to gift it. So those are my favorite things. What are your favorite things? Let me know. What'd you think about our trip to California and finding out about some of these local businesses and companies and how long they've been running businesses, serving our communities, and sending us out nuts and jam and cocoa and cookies and even a balsam fir Christmas tree. So that's it today, guys. That's all I have for Celebrate States. Thank you for joining me, and be sure and check my descriptions for any current collaborations and or anything that is currently going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.